am neither a runner nor a track star, and the last time I was forced to run against my will, I was tricked into going 4 miles. Did I run the 4 full miles? No. Did I almost lose my way? Yes. Did I want to cry and like not come back and just die on the side of the road? Yes, I did. But I was forced to come back, and I have not wanted to run ever since. But I did do track in high school, and anytime that we needed to do long distance, I would go and throw the discus or work on my shot put. So running is not my thing. I will do boxing, I will do lifting weights, but I'm sick and tired of every year saying that I'm going to start running and not, and having too many excuses. So this is what I'm going to do, because I don't like any of the running programs. I don't like any of the ideas. My boyfriend likes to run. I don't like what he has to say either. So here is what we are going to do. Do I need new shoes? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. But I don't have any money right now. And I don't want to have to go figure it out and drop $100 or more to get new good running shoes. So what am I going to do? I'm going to stretch really well. Granted, I did bike to the library and back, so I am pretty warmed up, but we are going to stretch. We are going to start slow and have it in like the next month. When I stay consistent, then I will get new shoes. But it's just, I know that somebody's going to say it's incorrect, but if you've got running shoes, you've got a good sports bra, t-shirt and shorts, then you are good to go. Also, if you deal with chub rub because you either work out a lot and your legs will never not be making out, 8-inch inseam shorts will cover you and you'll be good to go. You're not going to have the chub rub. There goes another excuse. So yeah, gonna warm up, got my long shorts on, and as far as running goes, this is what I have done in the past when I did like a week or 2 of consistency. And it works because I just hate running. I hate it. I like breaks though. And even with my workouts, like I love boxing and I can do it for like 20 minutes, but it's because there's a 15-minute break in between. And I can work for that. So what I am doing is I've got this interval timer app. I did a breakdown on how to like set it up, and I've got a blog about it too, but I made a running one where, so for today, because we're starting super slow and I have no confidence in myself at all and it's hot, what we are going to do, I don't know if you can see, but we're going to do 10 rounds, 2 minutes of work, 1 minute of rest. So we're running for 2 minutes, we're walking for a minute. What's nice about this is once I press start, it's gonna go. And then I can also play music in the background while it's going, and I can have it locked in my pocket, and it's just gonna ding ding whenever it's time for me to stop or start. And that I can get behind. I can get behind a rest break. I will do whatever kind of workout with a little complaint when there's a rest involved. The other thing I'm going to do is go through one of my more fun playlists. I'm probably going to start with, where is it? Cardio? Yeah. So I made a cardio playlist where it's got like a bunch of covers of popular songs and like the more EDM-ish, very light EDM comparisons. But I'm gonna find one that matches my pace really well, because I saw this on social media of finding that and then finding out like the hertz or the breakdown of like the BPM. I'm saying all things wrong, but finding out like what the beat of that song is and then getting a playlist that has those beats. So you're just constantly like running at your pace, whatever's comfortable. Oh, another tip, run slower than you would want to. If you're anything like me and you've been doing fitness or been active a good chunk of your life, you feel like you need to like go quick and prove yourself or whatever kind of nonsense that is. Go slow, make yourself go slower so that you can go longer. Or no, like if you're doing this like me, no, you just got 2 minutes, even though 2 minutes lasts like 50 when you're trying to run and be done. And this is gonna be 10 rounds too, so I'm gonna hate myself, but just do that and have good music, have something to look forward to, and you'll be fine. So I'm gonna document what that's like, because I would, at the very bare minimum, like to get to be able to do 3 miles comfortably, because I've heard of people doing, like when they travel, going on like run tours or just running around the city that they're in to kind of see it differently. And I think that sounds super duper fun. So my boyfriend just started running, and he can just do 2 or 3 miles like easy. And that's like so discouraging because I can barely go half a mile without needing to stop and die. So this is the one that I can do, because wherever I'm at for 2 minutes, okay. And then I got a whole minute, I got a whole 60 seconds. And then each week, or like every other week, depending on how often I'm doing it or how I'm feeling, I'll up a minute of work. So once it gets up to, I don't know, 10 rounds might be a little excessive, but I'll up a minute, and then like I'll bring a round down and like keep going. So I'm staying around like a 30-minute-ish time frame, because like 30-minute workout, that's totally fine. You can always do less if you don't have enough time, but like keep the run 2, walk 1 going. So it's like something. It's something. We're not looking at breaking records. We're just trying it out, seeing what works. Because that's what's the best thing about an experiment, which is what we're doing. Because I can't find something that I like, so I'm going to just try it out and see what happens. Because with an experiment, there's no success or failure. There's just an outcome. And with that outcome, you get to decide what it is you want to do with it. Do you want to keep it? Do you want to toss it? Do you want to try something new? But it ultimately puts you back in control of your life. So if you want to try it out with me, I'll link the video down below. If I can figure out how to like link it up here or something, fan-friggin-tastic. But maybe not. But I will at least have it linked down below to watch the video on the blog on like how to set it up if you want to do that. And then if you do want to, like, comment down below. I'd be so excited to have you along with me. We can keep each other accountable. But I'm just going to kind of document what I'm liking, what I'm not liking, what isn't working, if I stopped or not. But we're going to go with that. Also, if you do want to kind of change the way that you're viewing fitness or are really short on time, I do have a freebie down below where it's like 20 different workouts, ideas that are 10 minutes long. And they're things that I usually pop in for my workouts. So they include like boxing, dumbbell, kettlebell, body weight, and then like core and cardio focus, which not cardio like running. It's like cardio like box jumps or like a burpee or something like that kind of gross stuff. But it's 10 minutes. So you can, it's just setting a timer and going. So if you are interested in that, feel free to do that. Otherwise, I gotta go stretch and run before I tell myself I don't want to do it anymore. So yeah, you can always create your own thing. So here's to running without wanting to do it. And we're gonna see what happens. All right, have a great day. See you guys later. Bye.